Get into a car with value. 2019 Ford Flex. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a Ford Flex, the distinctive three-row SUV with a car-like driving experience. This family hauler prioritizes spacious seating, creature comforts, ergonomic instruments and controls, and ample cargo storage to create the ultimate road trip or commuter vehicle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, fog lamps, power liftgate, heated mirrors, satellite radio, premium sound system, power passenger seat, rear AC. This Flex is the ideal family SUV, and it won't last long. Stop in today. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience.